Hi everyone, it's Cosmin, and today I'm showing you how I make my triple orange cake. I got the original idea from Nigella Lawson, whom I deeply admire. But I took the creative liberty of adding orange blossom water and orange liqueur to my version. This is a bittersweet treat that also has a tang to it, so it needs something to balance it out. A teaspoon of yogurt is the perfect companion for this cake. This is also a flourless cake, which makes it gluten-free. I start with 3 organic oranges that I boiled for an hour the night before. Cut them in half to remove the seeds and then put them in a food processor. Add 50 milliliters of Cointreau or any orange liqueur you like and a tablespoon of orange blossom water. Run the processor until you obtain a very smooth paste. Now add 100 grams of erythritol. And these are 125 grams of almond flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. After mixing, add 3 eggs to the batter and mix again until you obtain a very runny batter. Remove the blades and scrape off the batter with a spatula. Now give it another mix, scraping the sides of the bowl, and pour it into your baking pan. Bake the cake at 170 Celsius for 50 minutes. While the cake is baking, slice 2 fresh organic oranges. Put them in the water that remains from cooking the other 3. Add 100 grams of erythritol and allow to simmer until they reduce to a syrup. The cake loses some volume as it cools down to room temperature. Put some of the softened orange slices on top and give it a good 3 hours in the fridge before serving. Let me know if you tried the recipe and how it turned out for you. Until next time, Dessertophiles.